All right, now we can see that we have relaunched Machine Simulator for zSpace by NIRTEC, and we can see that it automatically launches to the conveyor, but we want to advance the button and go to the Easy Line Transfer. That is the one that we exported our inputs and outputs out of to EasyPLC, and then from EasyPLC we have now saved those connected to the virtual PLC and are going to load that into this machine. So once we load the machine, we can now see at the top that it says PLC is in run mode. So there is a PLC connected to this machine. So we have a start button, which then starts the conveyor. So you can begin to see that the conveyor moves, and now you begin to see the boxes. So now as the boxes move across, now if we want to see those move a little bit faster than what the code has written, we can either go in and edit the code to put the boxes out faster and move faster, or we can take a look at this. But the idea with this is that we can now watch these inputs and outputs. So over here are the outputs on the left, so we can see as the photo cells light, we can see that that activates the push to knock the boxes over and sort those in a different direction. Whether the boxes are tall or flat doesn't matter. Whatever is on that box that creates that photo cell to interact with the PLC, that's what we want to see in this operation. Remember that we still have the ability to rotate the machine using our right stylus button. So this is a code that we uploaded that was a pre-existing code for the Easy Transfer line. We also have the ability to edit that code or write our own code to match this machine and then load that into the Easy Transfer machine.